Now, let's see how to solve this story problem. A certain store has a fax machine available for use by its customers. The store charges $1.85 to send the fax, to send the first page of the fax, and then 45 cents for each subsequent page. Use an inequality to find the number of pages that can be faxed for $5.90. Page number. Look, page 1, if you just did one page, that will be 1 times $1.85. Then the second page, it will charge you $0.45, second page, additional page. So if X stands for the page number, X equals 1, you only use 1 times 1.85. X equals 2, then page 1, you charge this much. Page 2, you got to charge is X minus 1 times that. See, if here is value 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. And then the second page, page 2 charges this much. Page 1 is still $1.85. Can be 3. If X is 3, then 3 minus 1 is 2. So for 3 pages, that will be 3 minus 1, which is 2. 2 times 4.5. That's additional page. Page 1, you charge this much, $1.85. Okay, so this will be the inequality. This will be the page number. Now, the amount of money for the certain page number is inequality. This is the total amount of money. Now, this money cannot be greater than $5.90. Okay. For example, you just have $1.90 in your pocket, and how many pages you can send. You want to solve for this X. Okay. This is total amount of money. So, solving this inequality is a very practical question. Okay? So let's do that. Now, we may do is step 1 is to do the distributive property here and here. 1 times 85, 1.85 times 1, you still have this number. Now, 0.45 times X, you then have is 0.45X. Subtract 1 times 0.45 is 0.45. Less than or equal to 5.90. You got to use 1.5, subtract 0.45. What we get is this 0.45 times X is not changed. And then you have is $1.40, less than or equal to 5.90. those two combine, these two. Now you do is both sides minus 1.4, both sides. So then you have a 0.45 left over times x left over on the left. This one canceled. So you then have $4.50. 50 cents. Oh, that's a nice number. You see, both sides divided by 0.45. 0.45. And this is going to be 1. 1 times x. X. Then how about this one? This one, you know, if you multiply 100, you know, denominator is going to be 45. And then numerator is 45,000. Okay. So what do we get? We do like so we have a 10. Okay, 10 pages. So that's the solution there. So 10 is greater than or equal to x. So you can do 10 pages or less. Okay. So here will be the one right here. The first choice. Okay. And also here, if you do 45,000 divided by 4,500, you also get 10. So that's the answer we got. Now, let's see the question 7. Question 7 is we want to solve the compound. We call the compound inequality. It means it's one and more. Okay. So here we want to do x less than or equal to 3 and x is greater than or equal to -2. The best way to do this is to draw a picture. Assume here is 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 is included. There is an equal sign. All the numbers less than 3, so should be 1, 2 here, 0 here. So you do it goes to this direction. That's for this one. Now how about this one? X greater than or equal to -2. I recommend you to use different colors, just like I did all the time. You want first to locate -2, and then see if -2 is included. It is, because the equal sign is there. Then you want to locate the direction. X greater than -2. Well, again, even 0 is greater than -2. 3 greater than -2. So it's all this one to the right. Okay. Then what is the common part? Will For example, 1 is less than 3, but 1 is greater than -2. So then, since this is the common part because of and then you need to choose from -2 to 3, and both ends are solid here, needs to be included. So in this case, this will be our choice, -2 to 3 inclusive. Okay, the second option, 1, 2, 3, 4, the second choice. Now, question 3, or you may say question 8, is compound. Again, x less than or equal to 2 and x is less than or equal to -1. First, draw a number access. Origin you always want to put over there. Okay. Now locate 2. Let's say 2 is here. Equal sign, so solid. Which direction? Less than 2. 0 is less than 2. So there you know the direction goes to here. Okay. Now, -1 is this one to locate this point. Inclusive because equal. Let me use red color. So you locate this point. To the left or to the right? To the right, you have a 0. 0 is greater than -1, but here is what? Less than -1. So you should all go this direction. What is the common part? Of course, from here. And between -1 and 2, they are not in common because of and. Okay? So you should do is from -1 inclusive all the way to the left. That will be a solution for interval representation. Why is not in the middle? Again, one more time. 0 is less than 2, there is no problem. When 0 is not less than -1, 0 is greater than -1. So this part, any point in between these two, from here to here, are not included. It has to be from -1 goes to the left. Okay? So that was 8. And here is 9. Let's look at question 9. Question 9 again is a compound. X plus 9 less than 6. And also you want to do is 9x less than 9. Since this is compound, those two inequalities must be met at the same time. Solve the first one is not hard. -9 on both sides. You then come up with x less than -3. Okay. Now, how about the second part? Second part, you divide it by -9. Because -9 divided by -9 is +1. 1 times x is x. Remember, when you multiply it by -1/9 or divide by a negative number, 9 divided by -9, you know, is 1. Okay, Divided by negative number, you have to switch this sign, inequality sign from less than to greater than. Okay. Now, see if they have a common part. Now, let's say 0 is here, and then here is -1, -2, -3. -3 we locate and is 3, -3 not included, no equal sign here. So all the number less than -3, all the number less than should be this -4, -5. Now, you then locate -1. -1 is right here, and -1 is not included. And it has to be greater than -1. So 0 is greater than -1. So all the way to here. Anything in common? No. Nothing in common. So in this way, the solution set is what? The solution set is empty. There is no solution. You cannot find a number in this world which is greater than -1 and less than -3. So in this case, you want to choose is the one right here, empty set. Empty set can be denoted by curly brackets, nothing inside, or fine. Okay, now let's work on this one. That would be our question 10. This question 10, let me double check. Yes, it is question 10. Now, for question 10, we want to do is we have a 10 less than or equal to 2x plus 4 and less than 16. Okay. Let me change the color to red. Subtract for everywhere. That's what we do. So you cancel this 4. And then 10 minus 4 is 6. In the middle, only 2 to the x, 2 times x left. And the positive, negative canceled. 16 minus 4 is 12. Okay. Guess what the next step is? What? So we then do is everywhere divided by what? By 2. This will give us in the middle is x. Right-hand side is what? Is 6. Left-hand side is 3. Well, you may draw the picture. That is fine with me, but it's not really, you need that. Okay, let's say 0 is here, 3 is here, 6 is here. Between 3 and 6, right? X is in between 3 and 6, inclusive. So really here is 3, from 3 to 6, include 3 and 6. So what is our choice? It's the first one, from 3 to 6. Okay? All right, I'll see you next time.